The DUMOS 16-in-1 electric pressure cooker is designed to be a reliable kitchen companion with its robust construction, ensuring it can handle daily cooking tasks effortlessly. With an 8-quart capacity, this cooker is perfect for preparing meals for family gatherings or meal prepping, accommodating large dishes like stews and roasts with ease. Crafted from high-quality stainless steel, it not only promises durability but also adds a sleek, modern aesthetic to your kitchen while resisting stains and corrosion. The DUMOS electric pressure cooker offers exceptional versatility, functioning as a multi-cooker that can sauté, steam, slow cook, and even work as a rice cooker, making it invaluable for busy households. Its user-friendly design includes a non-stick inner pot and removable parts, allowing for quick and easy cleaning so you can spend more time enjoying your meals rather than scrubbing dishes. This all-in-one appliance from DUMOS is engineered to meet a variety of cooking needs, making it an essential addition to any modern kitchen.